This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform our tile floor deep cleaning services. Step 1. Inspection. Our team collaborates with the owner to thoroughly assess the type and current state of flooring before beginning a meticulous deep cleaning process. Step 2. Power scrubbing. In this step, we employ the powerful Bona registered machine scrubber specifically designed for tackling even the most stubborn light stains. Step 3. Rinsing. We use targeted chemical cleaning solutions along with the Bona registered power scrubber to deep clean and eliminate dirt and grime on any type of flooring. Check out the difference before and after our tile floor deep cleaning service. If you are looking for tile floor deep cleaning services in Singapore, WhatsApp us now at 82410032.